Power, the lifeblood of Maharashtra, India's most industrialized state. 11,000 megawatts of power, of which 7,500 megawatts are generated by the Maharashtra State Electricity Board. And the jewel in the crown of MSEB, the Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station, source of 1/3 of all power generated by MSEB. Critical for a thermal power station is the continuous supply of treated water, high purity water for boiler feed, and large volumes of cooling water. For their World Bank aided project of 2 500 megawatt units, MSEB invited global tenders for their water treatment plant. Against international bidding, Ion Exchange India won this turnkey contract, at that time valued at $13 million. The contract awarded, our expert engineers got down to work, using modern tools. Computers for process design, CAD for detailed engineering, then, using a task force approach, a highly experienced and multidisciplined engineering team planned and executed the complex contract for this large automated water treatment plant. The largest water treatment plant in Asia, supplied by Ion Exchange India. The raw water source for the plant is the Irai Dam, about 14 kilometers away. Suspended solids are removed by a pre-treatment plant consisting of clarifiers and filters. The water then flows into the 2 main sections of the water treatment plant. The DM plant produces demineralized water for boiler feed. The softening plant produces the large volumes of make-up water for the cooling towers. This large DM plant consists of 4 streams, each 125 cubic meters per hour. 2 streams are normally in service, the 3rd under regeneration, the 4th a standby. Each stream consists of a pressure sand filter, an activated carbon filter, a strong acid cation exchanger, a weak base anion exchanger, a degasser, a strong base anion exchanger, and mixed bed exchangers. Accessories include pumps, regeneration equipment, wastewater neutralization, and storage tanks. The plant produces DM water to stringent specifications. The plant employs counter-current regeneration for the strong acid cation units and a combination of weak base and strong base anion exchangers. Both these techniques reduce operating cost as well as environmental pollution. Handling of hydrochloric acid is done in closed vessels. This minimizes corrosion. A novel feature is the resin transfer vessel, which is piped to each exchanger. This eliminates the otherwise messy and laborious resin transfer procedure for cleaning, repairs, and maintenance. We now move to the other treatment section, the softening plant. It consists of 28 large softeners in 7 streams. each stream treating 1,000 cubic meters per hour. Each stream has 4 softeners operating in parallel. 4 streams are normally in service, 2 under regeneration and 1 a standby. Accessories include an elaborate system for brine preparation and its use for regeneration, comprising a salt lagoon and gravity filters. Regeneration is done in 2 stages. The first uses brine recovered from the previous regeneration. In the second, fresh brine is used. This results in a saving of almost 25 tons of salt per day, or 9,000 tons per year. This turnkey contract included supply of centralized power control and motor control centers for the entire plant, with associated cabling and controls. Nearly 50 kilometers of electrical cables were used in the plant, which occupies 20,000 square meters. Instrumentation plays a vital role in the operation of this plant. The sophisticated engineering by Ion Exchange India is well represented by the central control room, which houses the control panel, a mimic and indication panel, and an alarm section, enabling just 2 operators to control and monitor the entire plant. A centralized sampling rack and a number of sophisticated online instruments help ensure that water quality is maintained within specifications at every stage of treatment. Under a separate contract, Ion Exchange India was associated with condensate polishing treatment through deep bed polishers. Also awarded to Ion Exchange India is a contract for an effluent treatment plant in 3 subsystems with a total capacity of 2,200 cubic meters per hour. The plant will treat the effluents of the entire power station. The water treatment plant at MSEB, an installation involving 150 tons of steel plates, 900 tons of steel structurals, 25 kilometers of piping, coordination of fabrication and erection activities, and third-party inspection by Lloyds. The secret of Ion Exchange India's success: good planning, timely procurement, carefully scheduled shipping, using critical path analysis, and a task force approach for project management. The repeat contract from MSEB for the effluent treatment plant speaks for what we value most: total commitment to quality, service, and customer satisfaction. A commitment that is backed by continuous R&D, highly experienced manpower, and comprehensive after-sales services. Ion Exchange India, in the forefront of service to the power industry, engineering total solutions, with 3 decades of engineering excellence and world-class service to every kind of industry. More than 20,000 water treatment plants supplied in India and abroad, including 400 major installations at thermal and nuclear power stations, fertilizer, textile and other industries. A company with the capability of handling any water treatment project of any scale, anywhere in the world. Ion Exchange India, poised for bigger challenges, greater achievements, for a global family of satisfied customers. Exchange India. The power behind water.